Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am here to use up some more book pages, and we're going to make some belly bands, but they're going to be different than the last time. So I've got a pile of book pages here, and what I want to do is punch out a bunch of circles, because this is what I hope to make, and I hope you can still lay that here. A horizontal belly band and a vertical belly band for our Butterfly Delight journal. And this one uses 5 punches, and this one uses 9. So very, very simple. You could dress this up. So what I've done is I have glued a couple of pages together, one of my Reader's Digest book pages here, condensed book pages, and I'm just trimming off the outside so that my punch can get in here. Now you want to make sure that the glue is good and dry, because otherwise it just sticks in your punch. But I can get about 6 punches out of here. Gosh, I hope that's not super loud, but you see how the pages are brittle, and yeah, see, that one didn't cut all the way through. And the glue is dry on this one, but it's just because this is an older book, and the pages are thin and brittle. I don't know. I'm wondering if I should have done 3 layers, but I think I'm okay with the. So let me okay, if this is too loud, I'll take it out of the video. Okay, so I've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I need one more. So just get that out of the way. Okay. Get the junk out of here. Okay, so now what I have done is my pages are 8.5 by 5.5. So what I have basically done is I'm going to ink the edges. And I want the one with most words on it. We'll do the horizontal one first. And I'm just going to lay it out here and use my mat for measuring, because I know it needs to be less than 5 inches. So I have figured out that if I lay these side by side, that it comes out about 4 3/4, which is just about right for the horizontal belly band. Enough that I can get a ticket under there, a tag, or a journaling card. Okay. So now what I'm going to do as far as glue, I'm going to just do the sides here. Glue will come, yeah. Because if I in a circle, it glues to my mat. And it glues instantly because these pages are so thin. So I'm just going to overlap here. And then I'll do the next one. And just a little bit of glue on both sides. I'm going to be sewing this, so I'm basically just using enough glue to hold it. So there we go. I've got 5, and it measures 4.5. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside. Now I want to do the 9. This line here is 8 inches. So We just get these all lined up. And there again, I'm just putting them next to each other. Oh, but I just remembered, because this is going to be vertical, I'm going to turn the words. I don't care if they're exactly straight, but something in me says they can't be upside down. I don't know what it is. There we go. And there's going to be 5 on the bottom, and then we'll glue 4 over the top. This is not real difficult, but it's fun, uses up some of those book pages. So you see that's going to measure almost, probably about 8, between 8 and a half, 8 3/4 by the time it's all said and done. So let me ink these up real quick, and then we'll glue all at one time. Sorry, I'm out of shot. You guys know how to ink. Okay, that way I can get my ink pad put away. So I just want to put, now this time I want to put it on the top and the bottom since I have it going vertical. And I'm just going to stick these in between. Like I said, I don't care if they're exactly straight. They can be, you know, kind of left and right, a little bit wonky, but I would like them mostly going in the same direction. Let's see, let's do it that way. Okay, so now we have the horizontal one. Now, I guess I should straighten that up a little bit better and press it down just to make sure they're good and on there. Okay, so I am going to add this to here, and I think I'm going to use just a couple dots of glue because I want it to stay while I'm sewing it. So let's get this on here. I probably should have gotten another color, but I had this cream color, and I'm going to use the pink flat back pearls, so I think it'll be okay. And I've got this other piece here. Like I said, I don't need a lot of glue, just enough to hold it till I get to the sewing machine. And I'm just centering that piece, no exact measurement. I just guesstimated. I did make little tails on the end. Okay, so I am going to go and run these through the machine with a little zigzag stitch, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've sewn down with a zigzag stitch, so these book pages are all connected, and now I just want to add some flat back pearls. So let me trim these out a little bit. The sticky back stuck to my hand. Couldn't get it off in the trash. Okay, so on the short one, make sure my words are, I guess it doesn't matter because the pearls don't matter if they're right side up or upside down. So I want to just measure how far I want to put the glue, because I want that one bead to be right in the middle. And I'm going to do this right on top. Oh, for heaven's sake. I'm going to have to stop using this glue. I like it because of the fine point, but there again, the fine point causes issues. So, alright, we'll just use the gel. I know the gel will hold it as well. There we go. The gel has a tendency to come out too fast, so All right. So I just want to put this here, make sure that one bead is in the middle. There again, we're not going for perfection. I have to keep reminding myself of that. I'm not telling you, I'm telling me. I am a perfectionist about some things, but not all things. It's kind of weird. Okay, so let's see. I guess we're all that way to a certain degree. Okay, there we go, done. And then this one, I want to use a little bit more. So I have this piece that I used on something else in it, and then I changed my mind, so I will use this piece. Now, that one's going to go also, the 5 is going to go in the middle. Okay. There we go. I forgot to get my baby wipe out. Okay. So there we go. Now, where did I put my, oh, here we go. I have the covers and the pages together now. So let me set those aside for a minute so those pearls can do their thing. And we'll figure out where we want. Doesn't this look cool? I just love this cover. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. So let's see. I usually will put my belly bands on a coffee dyed page. So I think I'll just start right here. And I think that's going to look cool. Make sure it's the right way up. And I may come in here later and add a piece of lace or something. I may not. I don't know. But for right now, I'm just going to glue top and bottom. And get this on the page. Got too much. Too much. My husband bought me these wipes and they're humongous. I probably should just cut them in half. There we go. Just hold that for a second. Make good contact. Actually, let me put a clip on it. I love these little clips. I got these from Dollar Tree and I use them all the time. They came 6 in a pack, and so I bought 2 packs and I just love them. Okay, so let's get this other one on here, and I'll just put it across. This is one of those pages I had my daughter do some coffee dyeing for me, and we did it outside, and you can see very faintly the doily that she used on this one. It looks awesome. So, okay. Yeah, these are turning out really neat. I like them. And I'm using up book pages. So, I have to not use the Reader's Digest books this time. I'll make a couple journals without the Reader's Digest just so I can use up more book pages. Here we go. Get some of that extra glue that comes out. There we go. I think that looks good. Got this page, and look how that ink that I'm using, the bamboo, has got that green tint in it. mimics this color that Andrea's used on her kit. This is the Butterfly Delight kit by Artie Mays, and I just love it. It's beautiful. So, okay. So I think that is it for today. Try making some of these belly bands. Try using up some more of your book pages. And I hope you like it. You could zhuzh it up more. You could use lace. You could even use the ruffle that we used on the cover. How fun would that have been? Could have used the ruffle. Anyway, try this, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.